Hey everyone, welcome back to the Money Mentor, where we make investing simple and profitable. If you have $1,000 and want to start investing in stocks but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down the best ways to invest $1,000 in 2025, step by step. Watch till the end, because I'll share a bonus strategy to grow your portfolio even faster. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set your investment goals. Before investing, decide your goal. Are you looking for long-term wealth, passive income, or short-term profits? Your goal will decide your strategy and risk level. Example, if you want stable, long-term growth, index funds are a great option. If you're looking for high growth, tech stocks may be better. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. To start investing, you need a brokerage account. Some of the best beginner-friendly platforms in the US are Robinhood, zero commissions, easy for beginners. Fidelity, great for long-term investors with research tools. TD Ameritrade, best for active traders with advanced charts. Tip, choose a platform with low fees and user-friendly features. Step 3, best ways to invest $1,000. Here's how I'd invest $1,000 in 2025 for maximum growth and safety. 40%, $400 in index funds. Invest in the S&P 500, VOO, SPI for long-term stability. 30%, $300 in high-growth stocks. Pick individual stocks like Apple, AAPL, Nvidia, NVDA, and Tesla, TSLA. 20%, $200 in dividend stocks. Earn passive income from stocks like Coca-Cola, KO, and Johnson & Johnson, J&J. 10%, $100 in crypto, optional. If you believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum, invest a small amount. Step 4. Stock picking for beginners. If you want to invest in individual stocks, follow these rules. Fundamental analysis. Look at revenue, profit, and debt levels. Technical analysis. Study stock price trends and moving averages. Industry trends. Invest in growing industries like AI, EVs, and renewable energy. Example, Nvidia, NVDA, exploded in 2024 due to the AI boom. Stocks like this have massive potential. Step 5. Low-risk investing with index funds. If you want a low-risk, long-term strategy, index funds are the best option. The S&P 500, VOO, SPI, has historically returned 8-10% per year. Example, if you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 10 years ago, it would be worth over $3,000 today. Step 6. Dividend investing for passive income. Want to earn passive income while you sleep? Dividend stocks pay you every quarter just for holding them. Best dividend stocks, Coca-Cola, KO. Consistent dividends for 60-plus years. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Strong healthcare stock with dividends. Realty Income O. Monthly dividend payouts. Tip, reinvest dividends to grow your wealth faster. Step 7. Risk management. Don't lose your money. Investing is about growing money, not losing it. Follow these risk management tips. Don't invest all your money in one stock. Diversify. Avoid emotional trading. Stick to your plan. Use stop-loss orders. Protect yourself from major losses. Example, if a stock crashes, a stop-loss can automatically sell it before losing too much. Bonus tip, automate your investments. Want to invest without stress? Set up automatic investments using a dollar-cost averaging, DCA, strategy. How it works. Invest $100 every month instead of all at once. Why? It reduces risk and helps you buy stocks at different prices. Example, if you invested $100 in Bitcoin every month since 2020, your portfolio would be huge today. And that's how you invest $1,000 in the US stock market in 2025. Whether you invest in stocks, ETFs, or dividends, just start. The earlier you invest, the more wealth you build. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Drop a comment with your favorite investing strategy, and don't forget to subscribe to the Money Mentor for more stock market tips. See you in the next video.